First of all, select rectangle tool from left toolbar. Draw a rectangle by holding shift key on your keyboard to make a perfect square. Grab selection tool and drag by holding alt key on your keyboard to make a duplicate. Also hold the shift key to align it horizontally. Now fill any color in this box. Make sure to remove the stroke. Select the other box, remove the stroke. Choose the fill color. Select both square. Go to Object, Blend and then Make. As you can see here, a new color blend is created with 7 new boxes with 7 different colors. Double click on the blend tool to change the number of boxes. Make sure to turn on the preview option. Also make sure to choose specified steps. In this box, increase or decrease the number of steps. It will automatically adjust the boxes. I think 7 is okay. Now expand the boxes by going to Object, click Expand Appearance. We still need to expand this. Go again to Object and click Expand. Click OK. Now right click and ungroup these. Our color palette is ready. You can make unlimited color palettes with different colors. Let's discuss another method to create a color palette using images. Go to File, Place, choose the image and click Place. Drag the image on the artboard. To remove blue cross, embed the image. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Choose any simple color. Make a duplicate by pressing Alt and Shift key on your keyboard. Press Ctrl D to make duplicates. Now select the first box and choose eyedropper tool. Choose the color from the image. Now choose the other boxes and repeat the process. So another color palette is ready. You can save this color palette by going to Windows, Swatches. This is the Swatches panel. Adobe Illustrator uses the term swatches for color palettes. Select all the boxes and click this folder icon. Enter the name of palette. Click OK. As you can see, all the colors are added in this swatches panel. You can use these anytime. So I hope you have learned how to make color palette in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.